Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Firebase Cloud Messaging to a React Native app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a new React Native project using the command line. Open a terminal window and run the command npx React Native init your project name. Navigate into your project directory with cd your project name. Install the necessary Firebase packages by using the command npm install save at. Next, configure Firebase in your project. Create a new Firebase project in the Firebase console at console.firebase.google.com. Once your project is created, click on the Add App icon and choose the Android or iOS icon based on your target platform. For Android, download the Google Services.json file and place it in your Android/app directory. For iOS, download the Google Service info.plist file and add it to your Xcode project. After that, configure the Android project to use Firebase by editing the android/build.gradle file. In the build.gradle file, add the Google Services class path in the dependencies section. Then, configure the Android app by editing android/app/build.gradle. Add the line, apply plugin, com.google.gms.google services at the bottom of the file. For iOS, ensure you have installed CocoaPods by running pod install in the iOS directory. Next, initialize Firebase in your app. Open the app.js file in your project. Import the Firebase app and messaging modules at the top of the file. Add a useEffect hook to request permission for notifications when the app loads. Within the useEffect, check for permission using messaging.has permission. If permission is not granted, request it with messaging.request permission. To handle incoming messages, add an onMessage listener. This listener will execute a callback function whenever a message is received while the app is in the foreground. To test notifications, set up a new message in the Firebase console. In the Firebase console, navigate to the Cloud Messaging section and click on Send Your First Message. Fill in the message details and send it. Finally, check your device or emulator to see if the notification appears. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Firebase Cloud Messaging to your React Native app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.